साथ लय जुड़ जाए, अगर वो आपको कुछ सिखा के जाए, तो गुरु इज द वन हु शोज यू डायरेक्शन एंड ही शोज यू द गाइड ऑफ पाथ। टीचर तो सब होते हैं।
गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागे पाँव, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए।
I would like to extend my warm wishes to each and every teacher in the Cat King team on the occasion of Guru Purnima.
Happy Guru Purnima to each and every teacher and each and every person associated with Cat King.
Happy Guru Purnima, Rahul sir, and all the teachers at Cat King.
Happy Guru Purnima to all the faculty and non-teaching staff at Cat King.
Be grateful towards those who help you to meet yourselves. Good evening everyone. One such people are Rahul sir and Hanisha ma'am. So I truly remember that when it was my declining period, I was not scoring well in mocks. The one thing which kept me motivated was the YouTube video of Rahul sir, and he's my guru who kept me motivated in my cat journey. And at every day at 11 p.m. I used to sit aside my computer and see that when the Rahul sir session is starting up, and he used to motivate me that bhai tu faad dega, you are the best and you can do everything and anything. So that's the only reason that I could crack cat with the flying colors. Moreover, coming up to the Anisha ma'am, each and every problem I learned from them that if a person is having any problem, Anisha ma'am was there to help me out. And a guru is not like कि यार ठीक है cat हो गया then leave, the student is over. Still Rahul sir is there with us till summer placement. So that's the best thing about Cat King and Rahul sir and Anisha ma'am. They are there, they are providing us material to ace summer internship as well, that their students should grow. And I really wish for them that their Cat King will be amazingly grow, their health will be amazing. And thank you all the Cat King family for helping me grow, for making me a better person, and I'm really very grateful to you. You will be growing and you are the best coaching institute. Thank you so much.
On this occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to extend my gratitude to each and everyone who was there with me throughout my journey at Cat King. Rahul sir, your incredible energy and enthusiasm motivates me each and every second. Every second when I feel down, I'm like, how would Rahul sir have handled this? He'd be like, "Arey, chill karo, chalega, we can get through this." And that energy resonates with me every day, each and every day. Anisha ma'am, I cannot ever imagine my life without you. You were the reason I joined Cat King. Seriously, if it wasn't for you, I don't know where I would be. You made me believe in myself. You were always one call away. You were always one message away. You've always been like, "Ho jayega, bacha, ho jayega. We'll get through this. You'll get through this. You're a star." And Ankita as well. I'm pretty sure she'll be like, "Kya tune guru bana diya mere ko?" What? Seriously, like Ankita, thank you for all the guidance, the tips and tricks that you've given to me, and some subtle scolding also from time to time. I would never want to imagine where I would be if it wasn't for Cat King. Everyone, each and everyone was so welcoming. Ashi, Anshul, everyone. Really, I learned so much, not just from Rahul sir and Anisha ma'am, but from the peers I interacted with. Cat King will always be a second home. And please stay in touch.
Hello everyone, this is Ashwin here. I joined Cat King for a GDPA preparation course. Even though I spent only around 3 months in the GDPA preparation course, I can definitely say that some of the learnings which I learned from the Cat King faculties are for lifetime. So I'm really eternally grateful for all the learnings you guys have imparted to me. One thing is that I hope you guys continue doing the same and help a lot of students now realize their goals and dreams, whatever they have.
On this very auspicious day, I wish Rahul sir, Anisha ma'am, Radhika ma'am, Utpal sir and Anshul sir, and also all the other expert faculties of Cat King a very happy Guru Purnima day. I learned the qualities of passion and dedication from Rahul sir, the qualities of consideration, having a calm attitude and multitasking. These skills I have learned from Radhika ma'am, and also we should always be helpful towards others in any situation. I've learned this quality from Anshul sir. So I'm very blessed to have you all in my life as my mentors.
हमारे VARC गॉड जी राहुल सिंह के साथ, who has provided immense knowledge to me in VARC starting from even ऐसे करूँ या वर्ड पावर मेड इजी, बट जो मेरा पोस्ट हुआ है कैट में राहुल सर के नाम, क्या ही बताएं, शब्द ही कम पड़ जाते। आगे आते हुए अनीशा मैम की बात, ना सिर्फ कैट के प्रिपरेशन के लिए वह चाहे कोई भी दूसरी एग्ज़ाम हो, NMIMS, स्नैप, IIFT, निका, सबके लिए वो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहती है। व्हाट्सएप में जिस तरीके से वो हेल्प करके डाउट्स वगैरह सॉल्व करती है, आई हैव नो कमेंट्स ओनली फॉर दिस NMIMS की हमारी अनीशा मैम के लिए। लास्टली DLR सर और क्वांट के लिए स्नांशु सर, जिस तरीके से हमारे को क्वांट और ये समझाते हैं, कितना ही सरल और कितना ही फन आ जाता है क्लासेस में, वे वो भूल नहीं सकता उन लोग की तरफ से। और यूट्यूब के सर के सेशंस एक से बढ़ के एक मोटिवेशन कोर्स, मोटिवेशन के लिए मैं इनसे मिलना ही चाहता हूँ, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए।
Hello, this is Manpreet Singh. About me, I have been a part of Cat King since December 2020. I joined in for the GDPI batch, and after that I have done a 2 months internship here. My experience has been really amazing. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to say that each and every teacher I met here is really great, very positive, and very proficient at teaching. So I have not found many good teachers, but at Cat King each and every one was amazing. First of all, Rahul sir, I enjoyed his sessions the most ever. Like, he is so understanding, he always tells the things from student perspective. Anisha ma'am, so great. All the case studies, all the approaches are so crystal clear. I enjoyed each and every lecture at Cat King. This is the best opportunity to express my gratitude and my thankfulness towards you all. Thank you so much.
Hello Cat King faculty. First of all, thank you so much for being an awesome faculty in the world. Like, with all your guidance, I have finally converted my dream college, and not only me, like many of your students got that. Like, you people were always there for me, like be it studies, motivation, or anything. Like Sudhanshu sir, Sahil sir, Krishna sir, Anisha ma'am have always been there for me, for all the students. So it's been very great journey with the Cat King so far, and I still remember the day when I used to quit cat, and I was like, no, ab cat to nahi ho payega, let's try something else. Then there comes the Rahul sir ka Friday and Wednesday session, then Rahul sir के motivation videos, and every time they are like, नहीं वो जोश एंड कॉन्फिडेंस में जब राहुल सर कहते थे ना कि नहीं करना है, मिलेगा कैसे नहीं यार, फुल मेहनत करेंगे, मिल तो जाएगा, जाएंगे तो IIM। तो इट वॉज लाइक अ वेरी बूस्टिंग मोमेंट फॉर मी, एंड आई डिड दैट, एंड आई एम फीलिंग सो ग्रेट। Sudhanshu sir के जोक्स, it was so great. Anisha ma'am has always been there for us all the time. She's like, you can just message her, tell her any problem, anytime you just message her, and she's always there for you with a solution. So it was very great journey with the Cat King family. And also I want to say, like, it is the faith you always had in me that gave me the strength to keep moving ahead in my life. So warm wishes for the Guru Purnima.
Hello everyone, welcome on board. Let's get the party started. This is how my MBA journey began. Yes, my CAT journey started from the 11:30 PM YouTube live, when Rahul sir came up with a big smile on his face and loads of motivation. I'm Siddiq Anshar, a student of IIM Nagpur. First of all, I want to wish all the teaching members of CAT King a very happy Guru Purnima. Without you, I wouldn't have been here. It's all because of you. I just want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the teaching members of Cat King family. I will always be thankful to the whole Cat King team, and I will always be a member of Cat King family.
I am feeling very lucky that I've got this opportunity to wish Guru Purnima to each and every teacher of the Cat King. So a very happy Guru Purnima to the teachers as well as the staff members. I have been a part of Cat King since last year, and मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है कि इतने अच्छे टीचर्स हैं, हमें इतना अच्छा पढ़ा रहे हैं, लाइक हमें स्टूडेंट्स का पर्सपेक्टिव लेके हमें काफ़ी मुझे अच्छा फील होता है, बिकॉज डाउट सॉल्विंग लेक्चर होता है। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। स्पेशली आई जस्ट वांटेड टू विश लाइक द होल स्टाफ also, and my two favorite teachers Rahul sir and Sahil sir. A very special wish to Rahul sir also, because Rahul sir का लेक्चर में बैठते हैं ना, एनर्जी आ जाता है, एंड बहुत सही उनका मोटिवेटेड लेक्चर लगता है। एंड साहिल सर का लेक्चर मैं मार्च से अटेंड कर रही हूँ, बहुत उन्होंने मुझे बहुत हेल्प करी है, हर एक फील्ड में गाइड किया है एंड एज अ मेंटर मुझे हमेशा सपोर्ट किया है एंड थैंक यू साहिल सर फॉर बीइंग सो काइंड ऑलवेज एंड अ वेरी हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा टू ईच एंड एवरीवन.
Thank you all for making so much efforts just to help students like me build their career. My journey with Cat King began when I started watching Rahul sir's video. And sir, your energy is so high that it got translated even through the videos and it motivated me a lot. But when I interacted with you for the first time, I realized that you were more than a teacher to me. So you guide your students in such a way someone guides one's own child. So I really respect you for that. And like you are always there for your students are going to be there for you always. Thank you so much sir. Happy Guru Purnima.
On this occasion of Guru Purnima, I am extremely grateful and thankful to all my mentors at Cat King who helped me to actualize my dream.
Hi mentors, I just wanted to say you a big thank you. I am here today at IIM Ranchi because of you. It was a great learning and a great experience being with you all. Thank you so much for helping me to make my future better. I would be always grateful for everyone's contribution to make all of us stand out from others. Thank you so much.
I remember when the first time I saw the video of Rahul sir on YouTube, and I was totally motivated. I was totally like flattered by his charisma. It was the time when I started my preparation for CAT, and then I came in contact with Cat King. And after that, I used to regularly follow his videos and all. And that was the thing that I feel was really amazing. Like it taught me a lot of things. Apart from my CAT preparation, it also taught me how to look at things and all. And post that, then I came in contact with other faculties like Anisha ma'am or Sudhanshu sir and all. And each and every one of you are really amazing. Like I can't express it, but yeah, I can say that I have learned a lot from each and every one of you guys. You have been there for me whenever I was in need. So yeah, thanks a lot, Tim. Thank you.
I joined Cat King to prepare for the NMIMS CDPI, and it was because of the efforts of Rahul sir, Anisha ma'am and the entire Cat King team that I managed to clear my NMIMS interview, and today I am studying in NMIMS Mumbai. On the occasion of Guru Purnima, I would just want to thank the entire Cat King team for their efforts to motivate students consistently, and I would also want to wish that all of you remain as energized as ever and continue to inspire and motivate students.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.